here at St. Xavier's Institution in Penang. This is one of the Christian Brothers schools in Malaysia. In fact, St. Xavier's Institution, or SXI as we commonly call it, is the flagship and the first Christian Brothers school in Malaysia. When they came here, this was the first school they set up. And from here, they expanded throughout Malaysia. We are students of the class of 1978. That means we did our Form 5 in 1978. And tonight is our 55th grand reunion. That means all of us are 55 years old. Okay? So we come back because of the strong bonding we have with the school and also to see our classmates again.